Okay, guys. So, in this part of this course section, we are going to understand what are MCP samplings. If we understand what is the purpose of MCP sampling, it is a powerful feature of the Model Context Protocol that allows your MCP server to utilize and request the LLM completion through the MCP client. So, this way it enables the sophisticated AI-powered behaviors while maintaining the security and user control. I will explain how. And if you have used ChatGPT, you must have observed that when you enter a complex prompt, it provides you the multiple samples of the answers or the prompts that the user wants to select out of it. So this is one of the practical example of sampling. So there are three key concepts associated with sampling, which are human in the loop design, the context inclusion, and the model preferences, right? So if we try to understand what is human in the loop design, so the MCP client shows users the prompts before it sends to the LLM, and user can modify or reject the prompts and utilize one of the prompts if the user wants to continue. The user controls what the LLM sees and generates, and so this way it ensures the security. And context inclusion says we can associate the inclusion of the context by passing none, this server, or all server based on the context you want to create. The model preferences is used for how to utilize the model associated with your client to utilize it properly, where it can include the hints, the cost priority for minimizing the cost, the speed priority for reducing the low latency, and the intelligence priority. So I have written some code to provide you the explanation around it. So we will start with this MCP server, where we have created one of the method for handling the sampling response, right, where we are associating a respective role of the assistant, right, to simulate the MCP sampling response, right. So it will create the sampling response and request out of it. And as we have created the tool for it, let me show you how the tool handles it. So we have provided four types of prompts in this example to handle the respective samplings. So it could be trends or recommendation or summary, or it could be the custom. So based on that, we can create the respective system prompt that the respective LLM we utilize to generate the respective recommendation prompts for each and every category. And based on that, it will actually utilize the different data for preparing the details that the user wants to create for the recommendation or for generating the summary. So let's say if it is a summary kind of prompt, right, so it will utilize the data it has captured for generating the details. We will see it practically how it will show, right. So let's see, it is in the practical MCP inspector. We are connecting this server. So here you can see the resources, the tools over here, right. So we have created one tool called AI analyze orders, right. So here it suggests that the type of analysis could be trends, recommendation, summary, or a custom. Let's say summary, right. The number of deals are by default 30 configured over here. So let's run this tool. Here you can see that this is the AI analysis summary for last 2 days, and the number of orders analyzed were 9, right. So it used the sample and created this outcome for the respective prompt that it is created. So this is the prompt. The system prompt that was sent to the LLM was this, that you are a business intelligence analyst, create a comprehensive summary, and the number of tokens and temperature is associated with it. And based on that, it actually has created the summary, that performance overview for this data that we already have in the SQLite. Number of orders is 9, revenue is 4050, customers is this, right. And the health is strong customer base, consistent order volume, this healthy average order value, and good product variety. So this way we can utilize the different prompts creation based on the sampling, so that it could suggest the multiple prompts for the user before sending it to LL. I hope you have understood what is sampling in MCP. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.